Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Gather 1 kilogram of mixed vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, zucchini, and pumpkin, all chopped into roughly 2 cm pieces to ensure even cooking. Prepare 4 cups, 1 liter of vegetable or chicken stock, and reserve 100 ml for thinning later. Peel and slice 1 medium onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat and sauté the onion and garlic until translucent, about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring to prevent browning. Add the chopped vegetables to the pot and pour in 4 cups, 1 liter, of stock so the vegetables are just covered. Bring to a simmer, cover, and cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the vegetables are fork tender. Remove from heat and let sit 2 minutes. Use an immersion blender directly in the pot or transfer batches to a countertop blender, pureeing until completely smooth and free of lumps. Return to the pot and thin with the reserved 100 ml stock, adding 1/4 cup at a time to reach your desired consistency. Season the puree with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, then taste and adjust. Stir in 1 tablespoon lemon juice for brightness or 2 tablespoons cream for richness, if desired. Warm gently over low heat for 2 minutes to marry flavors, but do not boil. Ladle into bowls and garnish each with 2 tablespoons chopped fresh herbs such as parsley or chives, a drizzle of olive oil, and serve hot with 1 slice of crusty bread. Cool to room temperature and refrigerate in airtight containers for up to 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.